to the Chan Chan. In today's video we are going to be making some, I don't even know what it is, but it's like it's an omelette on toast, and it is so delicious, and as well as it's delicious, it is nutritious. Delicious and nutritious. So yeah, just doing a quick intro, and I might tell you the ingredients. So we got a tomato. Remember to wash it first, wash all the ingredients first. You don't need to wash the egg. Now an egg per person is my rule of thumb. And half a tomato per person. Then we have some capsicum. You can use any colour. I usually use red, but we got a green one, so we'll use green. Some split peas, snow peas, sorry. Snow peas. You can use as many as you like. I'm just using 3 for today. Some ham, and some garlic granulated. I don't know, but garlic. It's so good. Don't use garlic paste or normal garlic. Well, you can use normal garlic just crushed, but I like this stuff a lot. As you can see, we don't have much left. So yeah. You can add the green tree thing. It's cool. Doesn't matter. And some avocado. Now you won't be cooking the avocado. You'll be putting it on your toast. So don't forget your chopping board, knife. Now, since you are going to be cutting, ask your parents first, and if they don't approve properly, let them to do it, because cutting is dangerous, and I have cut myself a few times. So, and also ask your parents before doing this. Bowl for mixing, and a fork, which I have to go get. So I got my fork. Let's get chopping. Okay, so as you can see, I've also got a plate, but never mind. That's for serving. First, we'll crack our egg into the bowl. You're going to want to go wash your hands after this, of course, as well as stirring it. Now's a good time to add salt and whatever you want to add. Me, it's the garlic. So we're going to just chop it in half. Put that beside. Now I'm cutting it a bit strange, so I don't suggest you cut it this way. Just because it's harder, you can cut them as a whole and get to the middle. But I'm just going to cut it like this, because I was a bit weird and just cut it a bit wrong. But that's fine. This is going to be thick. Doesn't matter. I don't want to risk my knife. I don't want to risk my finger, so I'm not going to cut that. Okay, so we're going to put this into our egg. That's in. There we go. Okay, so that's in. Let's grab our snow piece, set it right that time. Cut off the ends. I mean, you don't want that in your food, do you? Chop. Chop. Okay. So, I've got my ingredients. I'm just going to put them inside the egglet. I was going to say omelette, then I said egglet. Grab our capsicum. You can use as much as you would like. You don't have to use it all if you don't want to. As you can see, I'm not using very much. But nice small pieces. Make sure most of this is small so that you can mix it together nice and easily, and then eat it nice and easily. Easier, it sticks together easier. Okay, so now we got these veggies, just them into the omelette. Next up is the ham appetizer. This bit is slimy, so maybe get a parent to cut it for you. That's a bit thick. Oh well. Okay, so now we have our ham. I've already been eating lots, but oops, I just dropped some. Some of the dog, I guess. Okay, so that is everything for the omelette. You can see, delicious. We got some pink, we got some green, we got some red, and some yellow. And mix it all together. Adding spinach is a really good one as well. You guys are getting an exclusive look at the meal before putting the lid on. So you can add spinach, kale, or just anything you want. Sorry about my hair, it's gone a bit messy. But yeah, so while that does some cooking, we're going to cook our bread. Let's cook. Okay, so the toast is toasting. And now we're going to have another look at our delicious meal. Ooh, that's looking good. Oops. There we go. How good does that look? Got our spatula. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, so you can flip it if you want to. I'm not going to flip it because, as you can see, it looks really good and I don't want to wreck it. This is kind of sticking to the bottom. Because this isn't a non-stick pan, I should just use mine. But I find once you turn it off and leave the lid on, the egg fully cooks. And then you can add whatever you want. Add whatever you want, sorry. I don't know why I said that. But you can cook, and then it's ready, and you don't have to flip it, and it's easy to take off. Stick the lid back on. Oh! Toast is ready. Whee! Okay, so this is my finished meal, steaming away. But it is delicious. You can see it's a bit brown on the bottom, but that's fine. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!